I said, what about education? Schools are either done or people are living in schools. This is what I loved. The strength. He looked at me and he said, well, the world lived during COVID and they didn't go to school. We can do the same. In every camp, tents, group of tents, you know what they did? One tent, they make the kids memorize Qur'an and read Qur'an, and if there is a teacher, will teach them. When we went the last day, they moved us for security. They moved us from the middle. They moved us to the south, to Rafah. And we were there. And then we saw a big tent. And they said, this is the Qur'an tent. And I said, what does that mean? He said, the Qur'an tent is where the kids during the day go to there, read or memorize or review. When was the last time you read Qur'an since Eid? You hear it all the time. All the time. I didn't hear music. I didn't hear singing at all for 10 days. And if anybody feels down and they need entertainment, it should be them. Everyone I interviewed, they said, talk about it. Don't forget us. Talk about it. Whatever you can do. Allah will give us victory. They all say this. We just don't know when. Victory is going to come. But meanwhile, everybody talk about it. Post. They love what we post.